Hello there, my name is David Mahoney, and I'm the president at VTC Tech. Our passion is helping professional services and manufacturing companies grow by managing IT for more efficient operations, higher profitability, and peace of mind with monitoring and high security. We have been serving our clients' IT needs for over 22 years. We are expanding along the East Coast and currently have offices in Vermont and Florida. Our ideal client is a small to medium-sized business that is able to spend at least $750 per month on outsourcing IT services, typically will have at least 11 and up to 200 computers, and ideally has multiple locations. We offer multiple types of strategies, including business continuity, managed remote support, and cloud services. Ultimately, our solutions are designed to serve all your IT needs. Our value proposition is simple. First, we provide peace of mind around security and the unknowns of IT. Secondly, we save you time in the sense of IT issues, ensuring your employees are productive. And lastly, we bring efficiency and profitability to your IT initiatives. We are different in customer support. In fact, you get to speak to a technician that will be able to help you in 30 seconds or less, instead of somebody taking a ticket and reaching back out to you in a day or two. In closing, if you would like to learn more about how we can help you with our IT services, message me on LinkedIn or by email at dmahoney@vtct.com. Be sure to visit our website at vtct.com. Thank you for your time.